In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from Dasher Direct to Chime. If you're ready to seamlessly move your earnings, let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open the Dasher Direct app on your device. It's essential to ensure that your app is up to date, as outdated versions might not have the latest features or security improvements. So, if you haven't checked for updates in a while, now would be a great time to do that. Once you've got the latest version running, you're all set to proceed. Now, once you're in the app, look towards the bottom of your screen for the Move Money option. This feature is your gateway to transferring funds, so go ahead and tap on it. You'll find a variety of options within Move Money, but for our purpose today, you'll want to select Send Money to Someone. Here's where you'll add your Chime account as the recipient. This step is crucial, so take your time to enter your bank details accurately. You'll need your Chime account number and routing number, so make sure you have these handy before you start. Accurate entry is key to ensuring that your money goes to the right place without delays. Once your Chime account is set up as the recipient, it's time to decide how much you'd like to transfer. Enter the amount you wish to send. Whether it's a portion of your earnings or the whole lot, just type it in. After you've entered the amount, take a moment to review the details to make sure everything looks correct, then confirm the transfer. There's another handy feature you might find useful. If you switch over to the Earnings tab in the app, you might see a payout option available. This can sometimes be a quicker way to access your funds depending on what's displayed for your specific account. It's just another tool in your financial toolkit to make managing your money as flexible as possible. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Dasher Direct to Chime. It's a straightforward process, but each step is crucial to ensure your money lands where it's supposed to. Now you can enjoy the convenience of having your earnings right in your Chime account, ready for you to use as you see fit. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on managing your finances with ease.